Ninth problem. In a GP, the ratio of the sum of first three terms is to that of the first six terms is 125 is to 152. Find the common ratio. Here they have given ratio. This is sum of the first three terms of a GP and this is the sum of first six terms. Let the first six terms of a GP are A, AR, AR square, AR cube, AR to the power of 4, AR to the power of 5. These are the six terms. First six terms. Ratio of sum of the first three terms, not three terms, first three terms. Difference is there. Three terms means any three terms you can take. First three terms means right from the beginning you have to take. So ratio of sum of first three terms is to the top first six terms of a GP is equal to 125 is to 152. Sum of the first three terms I am taking first. How much? 125. A plus AR plus AR square is equal to 125. A is common in all the terms. Take A as common. 1 plus R square is equal to 125. Now A into multiplication goes from left to right is division. 1 plus R square is equal to 125 divided by A. Are you able to follow? Now next. Sum of the first six terms of a GP is equal to 152. A plus AR square plus AR cube plus AR to the power of 4 plus AR to the power of 5. These all six terms. How much means? 152. Already they have given first three terms how much? 125. Replace that one. It is clear here. So in this place, so underline that first three terms. In this first three terms you are writing 125 and the next three terms are there. In that AR cube is common. AR cube is there, here also AR cube is there, here also AR cube. So when you take AR cube, here nothing is there, 1 will be there. Here one more R will be there. Here two more R's will be there. R cube, R to the power of 4, R to the power of 5. So AR cube you are taking common. AR cube into 1 plus R square is equal to 152. Now 125 plus AR cube, in the place of 1 plus R square we got the value of 125 by 8. 125 by A. So substitute that one. 125 by A. Substitute that one. Now the next step, take this plus 125 from left to right. So AR cube into 125 by A is equal to 152 minus 125. A get cancelled and left is R cube and we can write 125 as 5 cube. Divide 125, 5 goes 25 times, again 5 goes 5 times, 5 cube. So is equal to subtract from 152, if you subtract 125, 27 will come. Now powers are same, so I am writing as 5R whole cube is equal to 27 also 3 cube. You know 3 goes in 27 9 times, 3 goes in 3 threes, so 3 cube. When powers are equal, bases also must be equal. So therefore 5R is equal to 3, R is equal to 3 by 5. They told to find common ratio, we got. Therefore common ratio is equal to R is equal to 3 by 5. 10th problem. A manufacturer accounts that the value of a machine which costs him rupees 31,250 depreciates each year by 20%. Find its value after 2 years. Solution given. Value of the machine how much? Rupees 31,250. Depreciates every year how much? 20%. And we know the formula in 9th class, we have learned this one. Depreciates means minus will come. Appreciates means plus will come. Depreciates means decreases. Appreciates means increases. So value of machine after n years, this is the general formula. Rupees, V means present value into 1 minus R means rate of interest. This is the rate of percent. R by 100 whole to the power of n. N indicates number of years. Value of machine after 2 years is equal to rupees 31,250 into 1 minus 20 by 100 whole square. 0 0 get cancelled, 2 1s are, 2 5s are. So that is equal to rupees 31,250 into 1 minus 1 by 5. Fraction came. So subtraction, we have to take again LCM. So rupees 31,250 into 5 LCM, 5 minus 1. 1 5 is 5, 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 how much? 4 by 5. Here whole square is there, don't forget. So rupees 31,250 into 4 by 5 whole square. Means that is the meaning. What is the meaning of whole square? 31,250 into 4 by 5 into 4 by 5. 5 goes 6,250. Again this 5 goes 1,250. Now rupees 1,250 into 4 into 4. So into 4 if you do, you'll get 5,000. Again into 4 if you do, 20,000. So after 2 years, what is the value of the machine? Means rupees 20,000. Present 31. After 2 years, 20,000. Depreciates, decreases year by year. 11th problem. Find the sum of the following to n terms. 7 plus 77 plus 777, so on, n terms. Solution given. To find the sum of n terms of the given sequence. What is the given sequence? Means 7 plus 77 plus 777, so on, n terms. Very important problem, students. I am doing with one number. Remaining 8 numbers are there. 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus so on. 2 plus 22 plus 222, like that, so on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I am doing with 7. Still 8 numbers are there that you have to practice in your leisure time. Now I am taking 7 table common. 7 goes 1 time, 7 goes 11 times, 7 goes 111 times, so on, n terms. Are you able to follow? Take 7 table common. Same procedure for all the numbers. Multiplying and dividing by 9. Sir, why you are taking only 9, sir? You can take other than now. I will explain why I am taking 9. One side I am multiplying 9 plus 99. One side I am multiplying each term with 9. In the same way, another way, I am dividing also by 9. So if you divide again, you get 9 goes in 9 one time, 9 goes in 99 11 times, 9 goes. Why I am taking 9 table means multiplying and dividing by 9. 7 by 9 into 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus so on, n terms. 7 by 9. Why I took 9 means I can write 9 as 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 how much? 9. 99 how I can write? 100 minus 1, 99. And 999 how can I write? 1000 minus 1. So that's why I multiplied with 9. Like that, how many terms? N terms. Now in each term, in each bracket, 2 terms are there. First term, second term, first term, second term, first term, second term. Now I am taking all the first ones in first bracket and the second terms in second bracket. Are you able to follow? 7 by 9 as it is. 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus so on like that. How many terms? N terms. And this is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. How many? N terms. So minus 1 into n terms. Now here T1 is equal to, this is in GP. How I am decided it is in GP means in mind I have done common ratio 100 by 10, 10, 1000 by 100, 10. So it is in a GP, it is not in AP. Check. If you take 100 minus 10 is 90. If you subtract 1000 minus 100 is 9900. Their difference is not common, but here the ratio is common. So I am taking GP. Here T1 A is equal to 10, R is equal to T2 by T1. 100 by 10, 0, 0 get cancelled and 10. Immediately I am deciding this 10 is means R greater than 1. Then the formula, sum of n terms of a GP, write that word. Sn is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1 by R minus 1. Where R is greater than 1, you have to mention this one. Now, Sn is equal to 7 by 9 as it is. A means 10. R also 10. 10 into 10 to the power of n minus 1 by 10 minus 1 and minus n. Why? How minus n we got? 1 n is n. Minus is there. 1 n's are n. Now, 7 by 9 into 10 minus 1, how much? 9. So 10 into 10 to the power of n minus 1 divided by 9 minus n. Next, Sn is equal to 7 by 9 into 10 into 10 to the power of n minus 1. Take LCM. 9 is LCM minus 9n. Now denominator you can multiply. 9 nines are how much? 81. So 7 by 81 into 10 into 10 to the power of n minus 1 minus 9n. Can you follow? Very important, please practice. In this problem I have done 3 numbers unknowingly. Not magic. See the logic. 7 I did. Now with 1 I did. This if it is 1, you will take just 111, 111 so on n terms. You will multiply. You won't multiply and divide. Just you will multiply with 9. How to write 9 means this all will not come. That one. So multiplying by 9 and dividing by 9. So 1 by 9 will come here, not 7 by 9. Multiplying and dividing by 9. You multiply and automatic divide. And again it will come 1 plus 1, 1, 1. So 1 by 9, 1 by 9, 1 by 9 will come. The same procedure. Here also in the place of 7, 1 will come. Are you able to follow? 7 I did, 1 I did. This multiplying and dividing common for all. Next. 9 also I did. 9. For here multiplying dividing by 9, no need these steps. This is 9 plus 99 plus 900 and so on n terms. 9, no need here. 7 by 9 no need. Here 1 by 9 no need. Direct. 9 means 10 minus 1. 99 means 100 minus 1. So what is inside the bracket only you are going to do. You are going to get. So 3 numbers I have done. In this one, 3 in 1 problem. Are you able to follow? So do nicely. Other than suppose if you take 3, 3 by 9 will come. 3 goes here. Common table is there means you can take 3, 33 plus 3 and 3 you are taking common. 3 by 9. 3 goes 1 time, 3 goes 3 times. So 1 by 3 will come. If any cancellation is there, cancel. If common table is not there, then you can keep a 7 by 9 on. Are you able to follow? 5 you take, 6 you take, 7 you take, 9, 8 like that. 12th problem. Find the sum of n terms of a series whose mth term is 2 to the power of m plus 2m. To find the sum of n terms of the series, they gave mth term tm is equal to 2 to the power of m plus 2m. In the place of m you write 1. First term no, 2 power m plus 2 into 1. Second term 2 square plus 2 into 1 plus third term 2 cube plus 2 into 3 like that. How many terms? N terms. Now here 2 terms are there in every bracket. So all the first terms you write in first bracket, all the second terms you write in second bracket. 2 to the power of 1 plus 2 square plus 2 cube so on plus n terms. And the remaining what are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 2 plus 4 plus 6 so on n terms. The first first term or first bracket is in GP. How means I told you now, R will tell for us whether it is in AP or GP. T2 by T1. Answer 2 we got. R greater than 1. So what is the formula? Sn is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1 by R minus 1, where R greater than 1. Coming to here, this is in AP because it is not in GP. 4 by 2 means 2, 6 by 4 means 3 by 2. So here R is not same. So what I am doing, I am coming for AP. T2 minus T1. 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 4 also 2. So it is in AP. Next, n terms of an AP. N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. In one problem only, GP we got, AP we got. So be careful. Check the series or sequence, whether in which series it is, whether GP series or AP series. Here R and D only can decide which series. Now 2 into 2 to the power of n minus 1 by 2 minus 1 plus n by 2 into 2A, 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 D, D we got 2. Now simplify. 2 into 2 to the power of n minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1 plus n by 2 into 2 to the 4 plus into plus 2n plus 2n plus into minus 1 2 is 2. Now simplify. If you write 1 or if you are not writing 1 also no problem. 2 into 2 to the power of n minus 1 first term plus n by 2 into 2n, 4 minus 2 is plus 2. So n by 2 into 2n plus 2. Again in this you can 2 table is common. Take 2 table common here. 2 into 2 to the power of n minus 1 as it is plus n by 2 into 2 here taking common. 2 into n plus 1. 2 get cancelled. And the final answer is 2 into 2 to the power of n minus 1 plus n into n plus 1. n into n plus 1.